Lolo organic nation. Hey. Ekobete no fit go the shop glory. Where the sagara. Egba. Better. Iyeki where you take the chop of God today. And Lolo give you. If you dey forget, make I remind your fast. I'm illiterate in your ear. Illiterate in your ear. Where the azua. Better. Today, you dey enjoy yeki. You don't tell us now, Lolo give you the gas name. Umatamia, Ogogakwe. It when I fast, we go better. I am wearing rekboto. All of them they call you yeki. They don't know say gas name. Umatamia, well Lolo mu yeki no. Oh yeah. Moku can celebrate Lolo today. I want you to celebrate Lolo. Eko better obi ewa sore na. You no go sleep. Here na yagbo e. Obi e. Me una share the video. Mosunu vai. Share the video. Ogo gbazia. In case una dey forget for this social media, una memory I go dey remember. Na me be don spiritual. In case una dey forget, I go dey remind una. Better. They enjoy yeki today. Na Lolo give her that name. What yeki me? Why we no say your monu? If no be Lolo give her yeki. For inside saga, or we yeki never, or yeki otiku. Yeki otiku. Oh yeah, money but today, Eko better enjoy yeki. Look at me. Lolo here. Aya you are. Ni me sole luwe here na. You know the tire you are. Okay, my lovers, before we will start, God bless all of you. I don't know where you are watching me. In case you don't know me, I mean that they call Don Prince, aka Don Spiritual. The only man where they put out for a kobete boti woto. The only man where they make a kobete they stay inside is 2 days now. Or Maria Oladia, Meno Ogogbea. Now maybe Don Prince. In life, respect is a reciprocal. Yeah, Zelo. Respect is a reciprocal. Yeah, Zelo. Yeah, do. Wanna tell me how they did this weekend? I know they see anybody. Before we will start, God bless all of you. I don't know where you are watching me. Yeah, Bego Marokba. You sure every fast we marry? I will get away with man. I can't wait. No. If I see me married, now my enemy left for you. I'm not just saying my fans there. You're married. It's Yari. You're married. And now I mean, oh, we know it. Better. Oh, we know it. I want to tell your fans the way you take beer go better. The way you take the beer yeki. They must know. You must tell they say, now Lolo, now give me that name, Iyeki. Iyeki, where they call me today. Now Lolo give me. You dey hear me so? Let them know. Say, Lolo nation, organic nation. Now give Iyeki. Ogogboa. Who don't matter? Sweet Lisa, God bless you for coming. Very well. Who don't tell me have any Iyeki yare? They play. No call tell them as Iyeki take come. How people say they call you Iyeki today? Who don't tell me man I get no buke bue? Who don't tell me awe Lolo munu? Who don't tell me awe now Lolo give me that name as gas name? Iyeki where they be today? Iyeki never wa. Iyeki never wa. All the glory where Lolo Eko better where everybody they call you today. Now Lolo still give you. Now Lolo give you. I be they forget. Oh go boa. You they forget. You want to chop Lolo glory. You want to chop Lolo glory. Hey Lolo, you are a prophetess. What here? Wait, Lolo, a dobris we prophetess, you know. A dobris we prophetess, you know. Come better, who be here? Waman waf your boy. Waman waf your boy. Waman. Waman waf your boy. In case you don't know, my people, before we start, I still play one music. I beg, but I don't verse on me. One more. So please, you people should share this broadcast. Waga broadcast now. Please help me to share this broadcast if you are here watching with a sincere heart. If you are here watching with, say, now the same disgrace enter Frank Omozo and Eko Bete for this to Sabbath space. They know they talk true too. Here tell what I won't die. Won't die here tell what I'm done. Here tell what. So my lovers, please, if you know you are here, help me to share this massive video that is about to take place now, please. Wagai. What Eko Bete whenever here. Betutu. Betutu. Where are these people? Okay, now let's go to the music again. Better. Uye. Umiowe. Betutu. My lovers, wanna share the video. Why tons of video now, but I know they see tons up. Okay, let's go again. I know they see tons up.
Sir.
Sweet Lisa, they are not hearing me. Oh. Oh. I'm your one. Better. I'm your one. Oh, hello, better. Yeah. What you better.
Show me the way.
Show me the way. More fire down. More fire down. Be more play music. I don't know. More fire down. Be more play music. If you do. Why? More fire down. Be more play music. Hello. They are not hearing me. Hello. They are not hearing me. May we fire down. I be me we play music. Which one are there for his side? That can't play music. I be not fire down. Because as now they see now, for this idahosa space now, if you look the way presenters stay they unleash on Echo Better every blessed day, every presenter now Echo Better, everybody the saga today. Go and see Lolo. Nobody the saga Lolo again. Now the thing na play. Nobody. How many people the saga Lolo nowadays? I'm gonna go check now. Who are here? How many people the saga Lolo nowadays? Hello. They know they hear me. Oh, Baba, yeah. My people, how many people the saga Lolo nowadays? Truth have to be said. And not be all those mumu presenters will not get sense. So some of them will. And not be all those presenters will not the fit talk truth to. Now maybe don't preach so. It can love no J. That is why my saga is the hot for body. Oh. My saga not be all those agberak my saga they do. And the Zoloran people will see why don't preach they hit you hard. This social media now we day. All of them they call Iyeki. Una don't know as Iyeki name take on. That name called Iyeki. I take come. Una no know. Una no know say na gas name. Una no know say na saga name. Where Lolo give Echo Better. I mean Monica Atuari Yedokpolo. Una no know say that name na Lolo Organic Nation. Na give Monica Atuari no Yedokpolo. Now give her that name called Iyeki, where all your fans they call her today. If not only that one Lolo do, all the master na kudos no. You give person name, that name, all your fans they call her. Now you want to turn the name to Golden Yeki. Egi Yeki nemo wa. Egi Yeki nemo Yeki otiku. He say he want to brand the name to Golden Iyeki or Iyeki Golden. Am I not here like that? Better. Question where I want to ask you. Are you not ashamed that you are celebrating the name where your enemy give you? Is a shameful thing to all your fans. Mumu Constance Ogwagagbuwa. Ewe muwa wa de yeki. Yage neni black agbeluwa. I'm here to put more fire. Somebody say fire! Fire! Well, say some of them think Lolo is a bad person, but they did not know that Monica is Lolo that is covering for Monica long time ago. For real! For real! Truth doesn't mean not talk. It don't open for my eye now. Lolo is very intelligent. Lolo is brilliant. Lolo gets sense. Forget now they say they use lipstick. If they use lipstick. Lolo gets sense. More they forget story. Lolo now first of the buy new car. He buy new car. Echo Better want to imitate Lolo to buy new car. And market. After he use new car, new car. He buy another new one again. Echo Better will still come out. Go say, hey, man, no man, if they use lipstick, if they I was war. As we they talk now, Lolo, a new house today, dilapidated house, cancel house. One of the talk truth. Lolo Nation came out and buy a house. As I'm telling you now, Lolo has fair pass a Ekobete has. Lolo has the area where it dey na GROA. Where Ekobete has the Gwagwaladia. And they tell na the story, oh. Wanna look the level where Lolo take pass Ekobete. Now happy. Now Ekobete take reach the level where it dey. Otiku oje, wotiku. Uwotiku oje. Now Lolo they stay inside GROA for UK. Hello. Una no dey hear me. Una no dey hear me. Now Lolo they stay inside GROA. Somebody say GROA. Somebody say GROA. In case of una brain, some of una brain, they forget something. I want to tell you now the truth. As we are talking now, Lolo is using brand new car. Why Ekobete is using 2018. I'm telling people it's a brand new car. Because she sabi lie. She sabi brainwash mumu fans. Or regarding fans okay, he ain't Lolo went to where they buy new car. Go carry new car, come out. Everybody see her. Ekobete husband, Kuli came out to tell us this Range Rover, somebody that use it, he didn't even use it. He just buy it. Later I tell them he don't need it again, which was lie. We don't even know that that car is 2018, that more than 7 people don't ever use it before you read their hand. Now Tokumbo Range Rover. Forget say the color, see the white. It's a Tokumbo where more than 6-7 people don't use. But the car where Lolo they use now, nobody don't use that. Lolo is the first person that use the car. Hello, una no dey hear me. Pride, where are you? I want a sakpo. Hey, Baba. When you don't fan go me? Why don't me fan? I want a sakpo. Have you there? Share the video. Waga video na waga. If I dey lie, Mona call they tell me. My lovers, if don't praise the lie, what do I tell me? Emi and Itana, if there is anywhere they lie, Mona the writer for the comment section say, don't praise, you are lying. If anywhere they where don't praise or they lie, can somebody come and write in the comment section? Eh? Please, if anywhere they wanna see say they lie, where the priest was told it. Was there get boy the comment section? Where more? Mona not fear. Because in life, truth is very bitter. Nobody want to tell you guys the truth. Ekobete they cover everywhere. Here one Bruce in not Zua. Here cover here. Okay, measure Egba. The priest is fan wako. Day. You cannot be brainwashing the Edosa space. We wait there here with the call results. We are calling results at the We are calling results. Okay. Somebody said, are you on live? I'm on live. You are here. When you go on a live is Precious God, I see you. Uwato. So it's time make with the talker the way it be. Please, somebody should share this video. Waga video now allow. Wagek bayabo. So as I was saying, in this social media, more they use truth, the saga people. More not they lie because they want to saga. Truth is very bitter. Now when they grand, now I tell the judge so. I know the court journal, I know the court command. Now waiting my heart don't see for this Edosa space. Let me they talk so. So Ekobete fans, if you are here, listen to me and come and confirm it. Say I know they hear you. They are not hearing me. Hello. Una no dey hear me. Una go hear me, oh. Una go hear me. So as I was saying, my lovers, I greet you, the bold Malaga and Mayube. So as I was saying, this woman where they from, where they call Lolo Organic Nation. All of them know her for UK. She is a princess. She married to an Igbo man with a lovely 3 kids. She's living where? Very humble human being. What is going on today? This woman and this Ekobete, Betutu of our time. The woman where they use people head. Now they see us so no Ayoyowa of UK. The Ayoyowa of UK. I will continue to disgrace una. Don't be play, oh. Because a war wama clear. Yeah, why I suppose where they be. These are Ayoyowa, what they call Iyeki Ekobete. As I was saying, that name, what they call Iyeki. Now this woman I give her, Lolo Nation. Lolo Nation. You hear me so? Lolo Nation. Now I give Monica. Ovia Tuari. Monica Tuari ovia Dopolo. Wanna know where they gwagwalaja for UK. Now Lolo Nation. Now I give her that name called Iyeki. When they put that on her brain, because if you go change the name tomorrow, now say you know what be a Iyeki. Because most of them you data Facebook, so una don't know the way the name take on. Una they call her Iyeki. Iyeki 1 billion. Iyeki 1 billion. Iyeki 1 million. Iyeki this. Iyeki that. Gold Iyeki. Iyeki gold. Una don't know the way the name take on. Wama eh? Most of them work bere. Wama eh gas name, you know. Why make I'm a gas name in way? Now you lily where we saga. Where do claim me as your personal name? Who do I branding the name? That is sign of frustration. As me can't be not Don Prince. They can't give me one year name. That they call me Don Mugu. That they call me people Don Mugu. They call me Mugu. And they call me Don Mugu now. Tomorrow now I can say Don Mugu Godin. I can go the beer Don Mugu Godin. Or Godi Don Mugu. Una wise. Una get sense. Now see the way Ekobete they use all of most of una head. Now. I can go the beer Godi Don Mugu. When I know say that they use Don Mugu to the saga me. This is what Ekobete is doing to you people. Iyeki. When they see so, now Lolo give her that name. My people that they hear me so, Lolo now give Ekobete that name. If you know say you dey here, say I dey lie, you talk am. I don't believe on fake account. I don't believe on fake account. I believe on original account. This one say I block. If you know say I block, you know say you be bad person. I block you, don't go into that one. If I still block this one, you know say you don't finish. Who maybe you watching me? Now, you don't go open on that account now. You say, Shebi, you block me. Now, if I block this one now, you see I say you are dead among the living. Who wait watching me? You go to pay you, say, no, they see me again. You hear me so? You go to pay you, say, you know, they see me again. So you better know you take the comment. You know, if you want me to see, they watch me. Otherwise, I go block you again. I'll continue to put me in my cell. I get my cell where they put you now. If I see no sense comment again from you, you go enter my cell. Me go open that account again. Okay? Because you do not get sense. You see person they lecture you now. One woman they gwagwalada they use una hair take buy Range Rover. He come Thomas in a new one and a fairly used Range Rover. Now he want use una take buy gold. He want use na take back gold now. If pikin do 18 years birthday, or might do 18 years birthday no here. But he want use na head take back gold. So now, as I dey talk this thing, so anywhere for the fuck up or I dey lie, one of the writer for comment section. But it will be truth. Now they hear me so? Now so it be. So as I'm telling you guys, today, Iyeki Nemowa is trying to brand Golden Iyeki today. Before you brand it, before you brand Golden Iyeki, let them know now Lolo give you that name. Monekia, before you brand Golden Iyeki, I say make a quick tell you say, now Lolo give you that name in case if they forget. A Lolo more gas name anyway. I know when she take give you that name that year. That time we see the saga. They join you like say you be better person. We know when Lolo Organic Nation take give you Iyeki. Iyeki Otiku. Iyeki Nemowa. It was a saga. It was a saga name. It was a saga name. So if you know where they here, where you're the new enter social media now, when they were back, I must tell you guys the truth. Only the truth shall set us free. Because I know say all these new Jay-Z, where you're new enter social media, yeah man, Eko bete wa vient la group ine, yeah wa sorry. Eko bete, once you don't pack the entire group, the next thing, yeah sorry wagi baba, yeah man energy. Una dey hear me so my lovers. Now, Iyeki, he can't claim that one. Before we know, now he knock another one again. Eko bete. A Lolo no ga. Again when no one baba. A Lolo no ga. As I dey tell na so, now he knock another one again. Eko bete. See the whole world, even our governor. Nobody will not know be Eko bete for those cyber space. A Lolo we yaku. Why we tell a shot of a quarter attack in the river, of a quarter attack in the river. A message of wati, they go far. Imagine that man is shouting now. Of a quarter attack in the river, oh attack in the river. You are with Oku. She's not playing. Oh nana. She's not playing. Monekia, come out and tell the world that the name where you want to celebrate for your birthday, now Lolo give you. Now Lolo give you the gold where you say you want back. Lolo don't they use gold for long. LWG. Go the gold on. All the gold where you want back today, Lolo don't get on. Lolo is walking ahead of you. But when Lolo be like American government when they walk ahead of people. Lolo is walking ahead of you, Monica. But you don't know. Everything where Lolo don't give you, now you they celebrate today. You don't know. You don't know. Just that you sabi help yourself. Who have a fast in Umuria, you walk go. Umwen in the Buria, they don't know what they are doing again. Yeah, wag bere wage baba. Many they watch me now. If we give a go, if we give a comment, they cannot comment. Many they watch me now. They cannot comment. Oh, I give try. They want die. Yeah, what? They want to die. They don't let them comment. Many they watch me now as they talk now. They don't feel comment. All of them they form Iyeki. No, see Iyeki name take on. Now Lolo, now give her name where she want to celebrate so. In case she they celebrate that name, more than they tell her say, now Lolo, now give you Iyeki. That name, Iyeki, was a gas name in Saga. May we never celebrate Saga name. When on Francomozo, he's not worry. Amozo Godin. Amozo, because they don't know what they are doing. They are set. They are a bunch of illiterates. Bunch of fools. They know they hear me, my brother. Hello. They know they hear me. They are not hearing me. They are not hearing me. Yeah. That was when he was really here. But les musiciens, il y a une aide. C'est problème qui est here. Mais les musiciens, il y a une aide. Et mais j'ai mis à la doba dans VIP. VIP. Fait un Benin dans VIP. Amazon, they insult all the musicians for Benin. He insult Tony Kabaka. He insult Destiny Bagua. They insult the Meboston. They insult better people for Benin. So they chiefs. Almost what your boneya. Because if you say no, if you go Benin again. Aya, me time agmonwe. A woman out na meroi. Your own land. Now you will pray me rain for put. Not because that person land. This is what we are begging today. Say a woman out na meroi. Go see now. Since where governor take destroy some houses where Curtis they had put and where all those kidnappers they had put. A dodo free. No kill it for a do again. Nobody will tell the truth. Nobody they tell the truth. Go to Benin now. No more killing. No more killing for Benin. No more buying for Benin again now. But Abba not tell the truth. Now they hear me so. No more buying for Benin. So may I show now some evidence. May that they know say Benin not be where safe for any ye rubbish. When I see this one, when you have kidnapper wage. When I see. May I give a follow.
Abraka, I don't touch some.
Sorry.
I'm fucking happy to see this, bro. Like, I'm at the station right now.
When I they wash you, yak beleni bule loto. Are they crazy? Okpamoro, when want to play? Why is Okpamoro play? When are they wash?
Verify DPO there.
Now see people for ground. Yak beleni loto. Wazwa.
We will continue to secure your life. We will continue to secure your life.
This one I don't state to my people. This one I don't state. They're not gonna show now these things. This one I don't state Abraka. Nobody go show now. Now the priest go show now. How bad go they bring the one way be say wanted the market the government. It not go tell now the one way they back people. Have police work, have terrorists in the red do. Have cuttings in Nimwe for so Nimwe for. You just caught that for enjoyment. Am I you akbele mawa? Joy for your big boy. Anywhere you did, don't know say you yourself not small. Am I when you allow not to go carry gun go the bad person? If they hear me so those who will not get brain, go see the way they back for Benin. They know they tell the truth. If you know say you not get sense, you did Benin, better come up for Benin now. Before I will meet you. You they watch me now, you they Benin, you they Zua, your mate they count 100 million, they count 200 million. You not get 1,000, not get 1 million for account. You say that so buy, you want to go the buy. My Benin not before you. Come up for Benin before I will meet you. Come up for Benin now. If you go Kanu or Zara, come up for Benin, I will meet you. Go ask OKPAMEN regime they hot. Nowhere criminal one hide put. No space for criminal hiding. Go and check, confirm. See, not be play. Go ask. It's confirmed, not be play.
Yes, I don't touch some. I don't touch some. Kidnappers, Abraka, I don't touch some. I'm fucking happy to see this, bro. Like, I'm at the station right now. Officer! This is Amanios. Yes, sir. Verify DPO there. We will continue to secure your life. We will continue to secure your life. Moga! I tell you.
Now yeah, he said we will continue to secure your land. Kidnappers. Now not giving a white for Benin. But our bat not go show now this one. Oh. Emma why na because of my why now no say OKPAMEN will they try. Una know say Okpewolo dey clean Benin. Go Benin na peaceful land. Now don't hear since day where Okpewolo start to the deal on all this some countries will not get sense. Since so Okpewolo take the crack on them. Now don't hear killing again. Why I never hear say what don't set again, say they don't start again. May you tell no say you get one group where be say now they destroy for that Benin. You get one group where they Benin. You dey hear me so? Now they destroy. Since when Okpewolo take crack on them now, no killing for Benin again. Benin is peaceful. When are they taught? Nobody want to know the truth. Benin is peaceful. They say that they get Benin, but that they cause problem for Benin. Now they cause problem for the land. Since when Okpewolo take crack on them now, they don't carry Okpewolo go court. But our market, no killing again for Benin. Nobody will tell the truth. Since when Okpewolo take crack on them, no killing again. You never hear 3-1, 4-1. No never hear 5-7. No never hear anyone. There is a peaceful since that day come now. No war. War never set. No war. Because he get one group where be say they just dey Benin. Their own that used to dey kpak. They don't kpak many people finish for Benin. They don't kpak many people finish for Benin. We don't get youth again for Benin. But since where governor take start to the crack on them, wanna go check. No killing again. We no go hear court and call the facts. In no day. Protect your land. If you know say na your land, protect her. Not one way you dey kpakpa people. People come from other state, call your state, call join wetin you say you know. Those people from the others, those people will not be Benin. They'll call the kpak Benin people. You go they look them. These people they kpak Benin people, so they not be Benin, but they're there the same thing where you dey. They not be Benin. If they kpak your people, you go they sweet them because they not be Benin. You will be Benin. You dey your land. You go they support them. Those people now, may you travel to their land. Wanna go fight war. You go see, so those people know will work by their people. Those people, they will never kpak their people. But they will come to Edo State, because they are not from Edo State, they join to you join, they'll come they use their daughter to shine, till they form and rugged. They'll come they use their daughter to form and rugged. You can never go to your state and go and kpai in your state. You will not go to Edo land and be kpaiing Edo people, telling that you are rugged. Nobody will not sabi shoot gun. Nobody will not give gun, will not sabi shoot gun. You hear me so? Nobody will not sabi shoot gun. Now, those Benin people where they their land, they don't kpakpa all their family, all their brothers finish. Go area now, you know go see better youth again. That one a better thing. So move and leave that one aside. That one are for government. If I want to talk, that one are for government matter I can't talk about. I just might try say small. When I see say our land is a peaceful land. Say good evening from Benjo. Yeah, Atonia, God bless you. All the blessing in Benjo will reach your hand. The land of Benjo will bless you. Atonia. If people they complain for Benjo, you know will complain again in Jesus' name. So shall it be. So why they tell that this thing say your land Edo State, not be the way it fair be before, not be say be now. Edo State is one of the best states in Nigeria now. Nobody will tell you the truth. Very secure. Edo State is one of the best states now. Nobody will tell you. Very secure. Everybody they enjoy. Peaceful. You feel you open your door now. Criminal not they come again. Nobody will tell you. Now they hear me so. Hello, they are not hearing me. Hello, they are not hearing me. You know. They are not hearing me. So, my lovers, what to make me come do this video today? I come do this video to celebrate one woman where they call Lolo Nation. Now, if they from so, they also. This woman don't give glory to a Dosaba space. Just that they know they want to give her a flower. They hear me so? This woman don't give glory to herself. This woman, they invite her for Spain. This woman, so they invite her for Spain. She go party for Spain and come back. But after, they still pull like for her body, say she go knack. But she not care. But for she to go to Spain and go to party for invitation, she try. But you get one where they call Eko better, or live a fake life in here. Are you veterinary Jenny or Matty you? Are you veterinary Jenny or Matty you? Una dey hear me so? The inventor go join me. He said, "Don't priest not go. She not go." I want the priest imagine. I want you. He said, "Don't priest not go, so she not go." Uno mete a matter mo adiagbon. Amajo, the priest imagine. Amale gie e kuli ahia. Say good evening from Benin City. God bless you. Osas Elaine from Benin City. I beg, how Benin be now? If you feel coming for video, come and bring you on. Because I know they talk about those states now. Say Edo is calm now. Osas Elaine, please, if you are still watching me, can you just call me on video? Let me interview you. Because Abat is on live trying to demarcate our state, that our state is one of the worst states in Nigeria. It's not Benin was passing, one guy like do. And the call when me they receive of Benin say, since one will test start to deal on cultist. One guy hit Bina. I might make Bina since then. I be at the lie. Wanna tell me? Ellie, are you still hearing me? Hello? Ellie, you are not hearing me. I'm sure you don't, man. You have data while long you have do. He said for Benin City. So if I dey lie, Ellie, comment, mo see how Benin they take place. Now what is going on in Benin? We want to know what is going on in Benin. If cultists till they misbehave for Benin, let us know. Let's know. Because the video they see now say they are cracking down on all those rotty element people. See them. Yeah.
Yes, I don't touch some. I don't touch some. Kidnappers, Abraka, I don't touch some. I'm fucking happy to see this, bro. Like, I'm at the station right now.
They were belly here.
Officer! This is Manuels. Yes, sir. Very bad DPO there.
You say, Echo better na Ekpo she cannot travel out of Belfast because she is owing Holland government. Shunk shame. Shunk shame. Always hold is what? The whole Holland government money. Yeah, don't move UK. Don't see my father show. That's Papa Olala. Epa Olala of our time. That's my father. Olala of our time. The great international native daughter. No wigby. Only a daffy joy. The power at all. If not Boama we baba. We are supportive ye do. If not Boama we Magije do we. If not Boama we baba wa Tony Maga. We are no one on the money we have social media. Is as a guy like me. Ogun baga gbiyan. Yeah, Iraniya. Even okay. Eri oga here Jeniya wo eri oga Jeniya ba fan. For real. See, Abraka is Delta State. That's what they tell you. See, Abraka na Delta State. No, say Abraka dey under Edo State. Who will be here? Abraka dey under Edo State. They play. Go check the map where. Abraka. You don't know? This is another Delta State. Abraka dey under Edo State. You don't know? Go check. Abraka University where they? You don't know where they? They play. Say bros. Say what how you call it? You say do is calm. And the blessing said do is calm. So my lovers, as I dey tell now, Mona give Lolo. Anytime I see Lolo, this woman so Mona give her kudos. Mona give her a flower. She has said don't try. She is the only one now where I see say Eko better the lie on top of her head say she not buy house. And this woman is living a cash house. If you see the house where this woman they live, everybody they wear. his children, all our children get out their own room. The fact, everything is okay. Go and see the standard. But Ekobete will come out, he will turn outside, he will bebena for now. Because he know how to bend word. It is just so. Now so it be. So this woman, if you see the car where she they use, now new one. This woman, what they call Lolo, so new car, confirm one. Now they hear me so, but nobody will tell you guys truth. Nobody will tell you the truth. She they use new car, better new car, or low. But Ekobete come pretend say she herself even go buy a new car. If they imitate Lolo, but now they know. Lolo is the one that buy new car first. The first car with Lolo use na new one. All of them not see for this social media. Na new car. All of them not see her. Na new car. The second one where she see they use so tear over. Go better one daily to Kubo Lily or Iladia or what the number one leader that lead or that's follow. You cannot travel. You cannot go anywhere. Odonumu yowa, eti travel. Odonumu yowa, you know they associate to anybody who. Oh what ba Ajala, you might tell me the meaning of Ajala. Or he say go awawe, honor the Ajala wa. Ajala na big name. Ajala na person where they respect. Ajala, he reach your husband, oh, he spoil Ajala. May I show now what is the meaning of Ajala? For those of now where just they come so, now no know the meaning of Ajala. Ajala na big name, but he reach Monica husband, oh, he use Ajala to talk to rubbish. Wanna listen to this guy, make he explain the meaning of Ajala for now.
If not, me say human want are insatiable. If you know, if not, me say human want are insatiable. If you know the study book, how you wanted to know things?
Well, they list you.
This word Ajala. Who is Ajala? What Ajala represents? Ajala na big fish. Fish na big name.
Sir, when I settle down, list with I want play for now, so not be my mind. Ajala na big name. But the Richard Bruce hand, and man know the Ajala yakin. When I listen to Ajala, what be the meaning of Ajala? Now I want list so. Don't play oh, I maybe don't prince. When are the listing?
Ajala represents. Ajala na big fish. Fish na big name. Now Dogu. Na Davy. They're not common. The world know them. The street know them. Their community know them.
There's Ajala.
Their friends know them. Their girlfriend know them. Their husband know them. Their family know them. This one na Ajala.
They don't get copy.
They not believe in copyrights. They be original.
Correct.
Ajala na man where be say people they worship for no reason. They get waiting it take without they worship.
Record breaker.
Ajala na name where be say hard work they pay you. Say yes, you don't work reach that stage. Ajala na man where be say people they want see for no reason.
Yeah.
They say I didn't amount. Call that guy once see Ajala be. Ajala na man we know the standing name.
Clinton.
Ajala na person will be say yes, they worship. They want see and they want deal with.
They look up to himself.
Yes. Every 2 seconds they confuse people. Ajala. And they get good track record.
Before we start, may I carry
Ajala.
the Ajala will get come out. The one will get for those about space. I bet may carry a come out. When I see the one will get for those about space. Before we start. When I see the Ajala will get for those about space. When I see Ajala will get to. Ajala will get for those about space. No. Eh? Ajala already those about space. When I say Ajala with there, those are bad space. Oh yeah, most start again.
Okay, you wanted to know things. This word Ajala. Who is Ajala? What Ajala represent? Ajala na big fish. Fish na big name. Now Dogu. Na Davy.
This one I don't go for those are bad space. So
the world know them. The street know them. Their community know them.
There's Ajala.
Their friends know them. Their girlfriend know them. Their husband know them. Their family know them. This one na Ajala.
They not get copy.
They not believe in copyrights. They be original. Ajala na man where be say people they worship for no reason. They get waiting it take without they worship.
Record breaker.
Ajala na name where be say hard work they pay you. Say yes, you don't work reach that stage. Ajala na man where be say people they want see for no reason.
Yeah.
They say I mat call that guy won't see Ajala be. Ajala na man we know they stand in name.
Clinton.
Ajala na person will be say yes, they worship. They want see and they want deal with.
They look up to himself.
Yes. Every 2 seconds they confuse people. Ajala. And they get good track record. Ajala no they dey everywhere.
Narimo there.
Ajala they dey very reserved. If you play with Ajala carelessly, you go pay am by correction. Ajala na bundle of talent. Ajala, he believes say, wetin God give and I go to shop to buy. That be Ajala.
Not the best to chop.
Ajala no dey run out of ideas.
Ajala.
If you give Ajala girlfriend €1 million, he no fit live am. Because my husband Ajala.
Don't be lying.
In brain go bring more than €10 million if opportunity dey.
101.
Na big fish, na big name. Do you know why some girls know they feel live man?
No.
Even though you entice them with everything for this world, they go say no. That man, and no say he get star. The world go hear about.
And the man not get money.
The man not get money. Never the belief, theory of believing somebody. All you they believe matters a lot. All you they mentor matters a lot.
Matters.
Ajala no they like icky. Ajala they like make everybody chop.
Straight ahead.
Ajala they carry people along.
wait, now people, Mona call Abusa Ajala, come make all listen to the meaning of Ajala. Not be the one when you go to spoil for those about space. Mona me call Abuse, come and listen to the meaning of Ajala for the priest platform. Una the more Ajalaria. Ajala na rigoge. Ajala. Mona here.
And no say it gets star. The world go hear about.
And the man not get money.
The man not get money. Never the belief, theory of believing somebody. All you they believe matters a lot. All you they mentor matters a lot.
Matters.
Ajala no they like icky. Ajala they like make everybody chop.
Straight ahead.
Ajala they carry people along. Obiri Ajala. We rise by lifting order Davido Ajala. My lane.
OBO.
You hear that?
me say
Ajala will rise by lifting order, but Ajala will get for those about space. That's also beg that they beg. That's also beg that they beg. I will beg you for living. Ajala they lift people up. Ajala they bless people. If you come back to Ajala, he go bless you. Echo better. I want to bless someone. I want marry one that I don't want there. I want marry the way as an Ajala. Let me see bless my fans. Error. That's what they collect for their head. Collect for their head. Thank you. You send me €100. Thank you. You send me €50. Thank you. You send me €200. Anywhere where you collect. Listen to the meaning of Ajala. Real Ajala we where? What are they listening?
all you the mentor matters a lot.
Matters.
Ajala no they like icky. Ajala they like make everybody chop.
Straight ahead.
Ajala they carry people along. Obiri Ajala. We rise by lifting order Davido Ajala. My lane.
OBO.
You know me say if I raise you say you come big past me. Because if I raise you, the ladder I want to raise you, I dey count the ladder step. Once you don't reach my stage, I don't happy say you don't grow, reach me. upon the happy, you will call they do business. You understand me?
Normally.
But who not be ajala, you go they fear me that person not grow. As you they fear me that person not grow, bros you not go grow.
You do one place.
When you are not filled up with ideas, you not go feel grow. There are people where they pay people to consultation.
Yeah.
They just need idea. They'll pay you. You know why I pay you? You get sense person. That's the power of your craft.
Yes, ajala.
Then when you not get money, you go the fee say that thing when they pay that person is too big. Oga, he collect that money because he believe in the power of research. He they do research pass you.
Yeah, get them.
Not be to start the race.
Your
Your activation, because you know why Englishman say the ending of everything makes you who you are, not the beginning of that thing.
Correct.
Hollywood drama, the drama go ahead. And I'm not going to do part 1, part 2, part 4 go ahead. Ajala get forgiving spirit.
Ajala they forgive, but they get distance.
After forgiveness.
Ajala they stress you. My mama say, if you get what your mate no get, maintain your stand, may not to see you finish. Place a tag on him if you want to lose guard.
Yeah.
You know why? I believe in the theory of Mayweather.
Wait.
He say all my opponents, anyone will
Ajala the yes o. Okwere one. Ajala, we kwere na Ajala is not hearing me. Hello, Ambrose Ajala is not hearing. Oh, Baba. Hello, Ambrose Ajala. Are you hearing me? No, so. To beg a young defend Ajala. It is sweet me for body. See the way this boy they defend Ajala. You come out they be Ajala. Ajala will not get sense. Ajala will they drive your wife car. Ajala will not buy your motor. Ajala will if they not give your wife money, you know the feed. That one Ajala. That one Ajalue. That one Ajalue. Not be real Ajala. That one, neither they call Ajalue. Ajalue. That is not Ajala. The real Ajala, they bless people. The real Ajala, he get the way to they do things. It will be Ajala what we get. See here, we all win on one filter. Oh, when I want you to, when I see her, want the ladder with corner. Want the ladder with corner. When you got the Vic. On the ladder with corner. I'm a social media. Nobody know papa. Now lay mama, the sample. 13 was the Aziwe man. Nobody know this my papa. Now they call her Jala. Nobody know it, papa. Eko bete, I ain't reko bete. I ain't jeko bete. Nobody know this Ajala papa. Why not they listen to this my guy? This my guy finish up.
You know why Englishman say the ending of everything makes you who you are, not the beginning of that thing.
Not be to start Hollywood drama, the drama go ahead. And I'm not going to do part 1, part 2, part 4 go ahead. Ajala get forgiving spirit.
Ajala they forgive, but they get distance.
Yes.
Not true, but the one with the social media, the people who don't beat her, you got now you can't do backup because nobody to support them again. He ain't giving one to support here. So anybody support them now, they are very happy. Nobody they support them again. Go see one year Akiko the whole way. Martin you got relevant in here. Now me they give the relevant. Imagine you got relevant in here. Now me they made the trend. All those Akiko na the system. Now me they made the trend. So I don't want to measure their name again. Near making a warrior. Because the more they measure their name, the more they trend. Now they Akiko they can't put. Now they put mad now. Now give a beg away. Okay, now I take me. Akiko, honey, the way. Our money, we like have funny for why. The dominion is a guale. Uwe motor can I have you? Uwe mot. I can have money ladia. Honey. Ya don't bury near yati ebone. Ajala no zuana. Yeah, me bogbe. But today, I could better not get choice. It don't be like before again. If not before, I could better not know whether all these Akiko they exist. Where you see better people with the supporter. You not gonna know whether all these people they exist. Abela one of UK. Well, I'm coming to France soon. Abela no wegbe. Abela no wegbe. I deal with you. I dey France. It dey France. When you come last, you know the what they doing. You know the what they doing. It dey France. It die. Even squad. Them more. I get squad. A squad in wegbe. In a ye boy. Abela one of UK. A squad in the France. In a ye boy. Not be play. They be like machinery. So they tell you so. So if you look today now, these people don't have lovers. That is why you see so fake account. Now they call it share now. Yeah, I come better again no support eh. If not before, you go see all Carvi Star. Oh, Carvi Star. Where we are supporting him. There is a big. Oh, we are sharing Akiko. There is a big. Oh, we are sharing Akiko. Mais, moi, Don Prince. Next time, you will know that anybody that is loyal to you, respect that person. Respect that person. And listen to this, my bros. Let me explain Jala for now. Explain Jala for
you know why Englishman say the ending of everything makes
Venecia, God bless
not
you.
the beginning of that thing.
Not be to start Hollywood drama. The drama go ahead. They're not going to do part 1, part 2, or part 4 go ahead. Ajala get forgiving spirit.
Ajala they forgive, but they get distance.
After forgiveness.
Ajala they stress you. My mama say, if you get what your mate no get, maintain your stand, may not to see you finish. Place a tag on him if you want to lose God.
Yeah.
You know why? I believe in the theory of Mayweather. He said, all my opponents, anyone will make mistake, I they deal with correction. You know why they deal with her with correction? You go deal with her with correction because you pass her.
No man.
When a particular person don't know your value, give her a chance. When you don't think you don't know your value, place her for money matter.
Where? Anytime.
On the load.
We had it talk. He said when person don't know your value, give her a chance. The time when you know your value, place her for bees. Me know your value. And whatever. There are some people today that don't know your value. Here they when they're miskin. I want a boy. There are some people today that they look and hungry, they worry you. But now they get integrity. They don't believe in integrity, but I don't know. As in life, make sure you have integrity. Many presenters, many, they don't get integrity. Piri. When you wajina, my mom will my ladian. I wait my supporter won't back. My mom will zore live video. Oh, he many princess. My wife will be princess. It don't well ladian. My do azore do afike be na walk pa no zuwa no UK. My own precious wife. When I kick over, we have a ozobuzubu no muyowa. Me go carry my precious wife. Even no do afike be na ne de pa no zuwa. Because they don't have integrity. Yeah, yezuo. They don't have integrity. You man at integrity. They don't get sense. Me carry my precious wife. Oh, he me. Precious woman. Those are body me. Even though I feel you can no kwa no zuwa no UK. No man, no more. You have your door. No more you have your door. I will not come out and tell my precious wife. Make her the shake yash for one idiot. No integrity. Uwa. Evil you might be zuwa. Why me man get who are you fiete? Sitting in one nobody they talk it for the presenter, the whole presenter in Europe. You know to wagizwa say. See the way they insult to now. Wama mama like wa. Even a party wanna go that day. Which person are near apart from only presenter we be say they support a cobet. Do real human be for a party? Mommy wa with you. Me mommy no labor one with picture. Nobody follow na take picture. Me go dead that party, they not follow Don Prince take picture. They are not hearing me. Oh, Baba. If not be say I don't come. You foresee Don Prince level. You foresee say you they love Don Prince anyhow. You go the hear, they are not hearing me. They are not hearing me. You go full everywhere. Egbenyan wowe. You got back. Everybody want to see the prince. Who is Zwa? I be your mate. I do not mate. Only my standing no. People want to see they are not hearing me. Who is Zwa? Till na left. Why is Zwa Zowe party? What you take buse? What you take buse? Now you carry your woman. When you say you go do marriage for common. We don't do after ikebine agbin pan of the UK. Without no integrity. Abrusa amwe ekobete total on do after ekunuwe. Abrusa amwe ekobete total live video. Or when ekobete do ekobete do after ekuna akiko. Because people are zuo. Wa gwalifa se ekobete no do support wa gbe wa dey yeki. Now people, wanna listen to this guy finish.
Let's do business. You know why you say let's do business? In your brain no reach, take carry yourself along.
Yeah.
We dey talk in riddles. If you know, you know.
No.
If you want grow for life, learn how to know many things so your mate don't know.
Correct.
We go survive you.
Correct.
In the
That's
times
true.
of your needs.
That's true you talk.
If not me say human want an insatiable. If you know the study book, how you wanted to know things?
Go ask Pastor Taya.
The theory of big money, it dey inside book. It not the television, it dey book.
No day.
They read things. Exposure matters a lot. How wide are you in your thoughts, in your thinking space? There are people who go tell you, say, a week, they know they drink, they do research. After they do that research, they go charge their mate big money. You know why? They starve their self-enjoyment for 1 week.
They go don't go to Najala.
Now, king of Ajala.
Hey,
King
yeah,
because
king
you
of
know,
Ajala.
Those one Ajala. They.
Ajalade.
You know why they be Ajala?
Dangote.
They get legacy.
Well.
Before you reach 40 years, get a legacy.
Correct.
Make people they worship.
Impact.
This guy now.
Make people they
This
love.
guy get wisdom.
After God, they say this guy want me watch a video, it go make some sense.
This guy get
Some
wisdom.
people they watch my video, they sleep. Some people they watch my video for hospital bed.
No man.
Some people they watch my video for church. Some people they watch my video for kirikiri. Some pastor they watch my video before they preach.
No man.
The way Kedo be today, I'm more than a pastor. I'm a prophet.
Prophetic prophet.
As I did, so I think advise plenty pastor to focus.
No man.
If you come on the CC where they tell rub their eye, many pastors they use CC. You don't think it's CC. Eboero.
After Bible school, who go Bible school now? God call her.
Eboero.
Yeah.
They call her Eboero.
Eboero.
They rub her.
Oh well.
Arrest my case.
My guy, you try. You rest your case. I bet more play. My people, more play the one way Monica put for head now. More play their own. They say they know they insult J boy. Oh. That they claim innocenti. More play their own. When I see their own. When I see. If I need you, I say, if don't about even making relevant. When I see people where they support a coup better. When I listen to them. Yare. They don't come. Yare. They don't come. Yare. Don't please no guy where fool. I'm not fear. My show now this idiot. Please, are you guys still there? Hello, please. If you know you are still watching me, say hi. You give back over. You to flag it. They want to flag this video. Please, if you know you are still here, say hi. Please, my lovers, if you know you are still here, say hi. Say hi. Yare. Please, my lovers, if you know you are still here, say hi. Say hi. Yare. My lover, please, if you know you are still here, say hi. Say hi. Yare. My lovers, please, if you know you are still watching, say hi. Venetia, see we are hearing. Please, people still there. I want to play another video for now. So, are you guys still watching me? Are you still seeing me? Hello, they are not hearing me. Yeah, my guy, my brother still did there. Say that they see me correct. So I want to play this video for now. This boy they impersonate. This boy so this useless boy so they impersonate waiting not day. That one on one side. So my people, may I quick play the video for now. When they take this guagua echo better. But today, echo better now. Now be the echo better best friend today. Echo better they use the play. Omuya echo better than one lenia ogogag boy. And then one lenia na ogogag boy. Elenia iwe wawa ikunwa kuna uwa akwesuta. Uwa mana akwesuta ogogag beluwa. See there. Wanna see what he talk.
With the France.
Wait.
One with Jibori.
All of them know say for my saga. I know they do the saga J-boy like that. All of them know say J-boy, I already pray for her. Now in papa and in mama they almost the saga. All of them know. But they not tell the truth. Because they want to gain a better friendship. They call the lie. Say don't pray the saga J-boy. Me, go check most of my video. I know they do saga J-boy. I they already pray for J-boy. Now in mama and papa, now they beat. But because of this idiot want to claim glory from a better. They call the phone say the principal saga J-boy. And the principal saga J-boy. Because they be illiterate. They don't know how they do saga. Yeah, you zuo. My do prince, ya always saga. Okle. Hello. They are not hearing me. Okle. You hear me so? So my people wanna listen to this conversation.
This is not clear well.
Some people not balance inside.
So they're gonna with the France. A many one with Jibori, oh, we have in a war tagmona, ours, or we exactly saga this innocent boy. If you really want gay. Omona, Poma, you know the name now, Poma.
That one need to give us sense. That one need to give us sense, mister. Because
we go saga person like J-boy. A J-boy see a man here footballer. Make bog,
Akabo.
on the Wasaga of Agawama.
Now watch after I told you so I watch a minute later. What I watch.
Akabo. Oh, I go. No matter. Oh, I hear you. To get. Ambrose no ya jala go adame yo me.
These are the family where they support. I was the support Monica na hina. This one is 12 the way they laugh just now. When I see what they don't tell Kobete, they don't tell her truth. Because of Monica Momo fans when they want me to support them, they change go back. When I hear the listing, now go laugh tire. When I the listing.
Ambrose no ya jala go adame yo me. E akwo mu kakai o se moroko o monoko si. Look at Egalumana live a life no money. Umaya makowe. But who continue to live in who ya guale cooking and amure mugyo yanwa barowa. When you are drinking, you are smoking a lot, you drink a lot, you take so many things. It will make your sperm to be light. Oh yeah, light. Especially when light. It will be difficult before pregnancy. Any woman, you just. You understand? Hey, manager, where are you Facebook? Hey, manager, where are you Facebook? Hey, we know where. What I am.
He said, why yes, Lele na, e bon wetie na, we vioe ne akpa vioe. Lare, e bon wetie na. You are eating the swear. Today, you are not the one worshiping Monica. You are not the one other Monica. You are not the one. No, it be sasalele Monica. Monica is not your mentor. It's a shame to this family with the tussle. It's a shame. What are they listening? On a no cat about them. Now he get lawyer. Monica wogijeme. Monica wogijeme. Imagine me one. What are they listening to them?
Facebook. Hey, manager, where should they go Facebook? Hey, we know where. What I am. Iya me boya le ko le wa. O ko ni ga me boya ari kia we we. O je o ga me we for ne. Iya mo mere ya mo gie wa o bia. Unaga okbia o. Unaga okbia o. Unaga okbia. Uga le mi obo. O mi obo mi ogwe. O ko mi obo le wa. O ko mi o ga le mo ko mu ko bu we ade. O enyama. E ko ni enyama. Uwage. Uwe ke lokere. Let me tell you, everybody around you, how long will you continue all this?
Okay, when again you nyamo, nene J boy, what about we? I can never saga J boy. I can never saga J boy. But waka gwa no be J boy, be rag BJ, tamevo way. This J boy, not be this kuli na ebona. But today, who are you for me? J-boy. They say the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. The devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. No. Benin user make parable say, I've been English people, they say your worst enemy can be your best friend. You don't know. Your worst enemy can be your best friend. Why your best friend can be your worst enemy? That parable not be a parable. That isn't a play. That isn't a play. And then I was Zoa because they are dead among the living. Without Monica, they not get level. May they do video without not be Monica. May they do. Nobody will send them. If they not saga me, they not get view. Nobody will send them. If they not use Monica name, they saga me. Nobody will send them. I'm not saying here. None of the listing. Because they say I say Monica fans, many na illiterate. Or Zuobuse. You hear me so? Monica fans, many na illiterate. Illiterate. This Jack, it doesn't see to tell you. You need to get Piegboa. If Piegboa, oh yeah, oh yeah, go find that one again. If Piegboa, and this is Jack Shack. Also, no say Monica fans, illiterate in him. Wait till their mama they give people, they know they feel beer. Here we commenting here, we zuo. You don't get sense. You know how many Monica fans they watch me here? If I they measure their name, I know they go to get problem with Monica. As I day, I feel measure like 15 Monica fans with this here. We be say top Monica fans, echo better. Here team measure your bad. I know what I mean they go the wrong for me. Because if I measure their name, they'll go the wrong. Emmanuel, I want me the listing. Made for the wise. I know say so still wise, but so no will never wise. Ain't he wise? Okay, on the listing.
How long will you continue all this?
Okay. When get to mweko ko ego bi adiowa. We egu fulegbu we na what ye. We egu fulegbu we you know say this Monica carry pikin we not be our hoe. Go give another man for us. You know. But today you are not the one. Yeah, can 1 billion. Yeah, because you be not being better. In better wa me. In better. Also the woman like una. Nobody like una. Oh, wa pretty woman. Nobody like una. Somebody say they are too primitive to my likeness. They don't like una. They ma like when you pretend. Evil self. We be wa ma view wa at table. You know see say for a part about they don't put na go at table. Mo be ma ti wa at table. Abo ma bege. Amatu wa at table because we are local. Me go do that party no can me go at table. Don Prince. We are the mayor. Me go do that party. They no carry me go at table. Don Prince. It's a shame. Go see you. Amatu wa at table. Where's Lady Felicia sit down put? Where's Lady Susie sit down put? Amatu wa rewa. No get level. Iya go wa na zuo. Nobody will tell you now. Akiko, zebu na muhia. Nobody will tell una. No say they goguna for floor member. Floor member, una not be presenter. And I have a presenter here at table. And that's why you floor member. No level. Why no level? Why is zuo? Una continue to be yeki. Wana eden waka wa support yeki. Ogo gagbeluwa. Eden wale. Wana wado gbina neko bete. Ogo bagagbeluwa. Omo ga wuyu wa o. Omo panwa na nyo ga wuyu wa o. Eden waka wa support okuna. Ogo gagbeluwa. Una continue to shop as shit. Una continue to shop as shit. So shall it be. Yata. Zebu, yata. When I tell Zebu say, she will continue to shop ekobete shit. Ekobete no yoyo wana ayore una continue to drink. Uwa yanwa yore. Edi okin ajin wa. Because una don insult her. Una don so una continue to dey ondara. Okin gari we match wa unya. Obego wa, ogi wa wo wa. Then we put on a bege. Obege, oda. But eti gwa. Okin gari lu wa here. Wa, pederio. Mabe nota. You know what he talk that he say if they see una and me walking have a brush but or me. Mabe nota ni me. If you never hear what he talk for Don Prince, may I show you what he talk for Don Prince. See what he cover the talk for Don Prince. I listen. Yeah, we. See what he tell Don Prince, tell the whole world. He said Don Prince, my colleague. Oh, what in it? Just that talk bring me kweku. Who is Zuo? We're not Zuo. Yeah, boy. Here's the video. With my quick plan. My people are not vessel at the common. Who is Zuo? Here be my way. Will not be made to anything. The crease there. Now with my platform, I'm gonna see him. A ball war. When I listen.
Boy, social media. Don Prince has never.
When I listen.
Don Prince is not my boy. Social media. Don Prince has never been my boy. He will never be my boy. But he's an honorable colleague. A very good fellow colleague. Where they doing work. You know they doing work for our service. You know they work for a week. You know they complain. No ask me anything one day. But you see this one, as you just see and so.
Wow. Now when they talk, he say Don Prince never asked me for a week one day. But they call Benna because nobody want to talk truth again. They Benna. Me we get integrity. Men of integrity. Me not there with a Ekobete today. Go see the way I hear Ekobete today. Everybody don't live on. Who is Zwa? What matter take Don Prince? Who is Zwa? When my begin not all take when not like that way, I kick on my colleague. When not like that mercy. The child to give una, he say anywhere they see una, may they see pass. May they see say ah. Oh, we are Agbera first, okay? Why we say that we are Agbera? Why we ha? Because you not trust now. I'm not trust to what? Listen again, and wait. Listen again.
Don Prince is not my boy. Social media. Don Prince has never been my boy. He will never be my boy. But he's an honorable colleague. A very good fellow colleague. Where they doing work. You know they doing work for our service. You know they work for a week. You know they complain. No ask me anything one day. Okay. But you see this.
Where go ata mi awe wi megwalo. Igbinari swene we wi megwalo. Wa ten wata. Now you come away the sweet. You tell the old world say, hey, Don Prince na call stress. A money they we. But today you are the one. I will move lovers. You no mind egbeni man niawo. Awe Don Prince I am we gear. But they forget this talk when you do this video. They forget when you do this video. Say, Don Prince is different. If you see me for another ground, you will know, say, I get integrity. Any as well, you know. We are talking about integrity. Not be by social media saga. We are talking about integrity. Do you have integrity? Do you have integrity? And they laugh. No plan finish. Akiko, ubele laugh wa. Una continue to serve this woman. This is not punishment be that. Punishment in no saba monu wani. Una continue to serve this woman. Because what no sense. A nonsense in water, what you jay na. Not this one the supporter. Oh, what you jay? What man waji? Man are listening. Oh, what you jay na what man? Oh, Jawaye na. Also, number way. Imana we do burn no do show what. Say that they never burn na. Ona we do show what. Which they are bitter, yeah. Cause to say if I not bitter, you know they show na video. As I say bitter, which they not because they show na video. Why watch a video? Maybe 200 people they watch me. Now this is not. Echo better this aye. Who is so? Echo better this aye. Ekuli the way man. They play. My people, don't not listen.
When you are drinking, you are smoking a lot, you drink a lot, you take so many things. It will make your sperm to be light. Oh, that light, especially when light. It will be difficult before pregnancy. Any woman, you just. You understand? Hey, manager, where else you Facebook? Hey, manager, where else you Facebook? Hey, we know where. What are I am? Iya ka me boya le ko le wa. O ko ni ka me boya ari kia we we. O je o ga me we for ne. Iya mo mere ya mo gie wa obia.
Ubele bon we tie na. O nya so no we da we last. Wa must to mo ko ma be mo gie ke wa. Cause I get me ko no we. Akiko we a we ni tie ni akiko eti mo ko no we. Ubele bon we tie na. We mi no sunu da ko bete and we onya sunu da we okpe kwa aka o we amesto amekoko eri mugeku akiko wowa because akiko is spaghetti mekuno oga ata akiko ati mekuno for 5-6 years wa keru wowa o ma taking you know they go 6 years o hime o ma gba 3 years you wan boss e pikin so ekiare iga mwe yo wu omono o wa mwe yo wu amama what we call no level. Who are you zo? Eke do priest allow uwe no mogije. Eke do priest awulo of monic or monoya le uwe kuen uwe pekuru. E do priest is ueladian keno le la keno iji ikueladian. If only one pikin remain for that your belly, if magbola enta inside, you go carry that pikin come keno le or mueladian. Uwe zo 5 years 6 years the France now 5 children ogun ogbo iwa hin 6 years yagba with France now 5 children ogan busting now every year they deliver every year one use bola we girl yet to play who is so bola we carry grace you want go use that to compare bola we mini pit dey we ni bola ni or twayo yo to asaka ya lala yo bola we no dey work now they put for his ass ozuo because you be best side e boy ni aloe wa azuo if you wait you get mark for his ass what it time we monopause or gbu at last ya mark monopause must visit you where go and mark it monopause must visit you okpe kwaka you are a child of monopause ya mark go don prince. Yeah, wait, who are so was those are bad space. Go and go don prince. You go see and say Igbola na expert na maka. Don prince Bola na maka. Somebody say maka. If you are still watching me, say maka. Magbola na maka.